Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download TikTok on PC, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to download TikTok on PC. Just click on the start icon and then here in the search bar type Microsoft Store. And then in the search bar here just type TikTok, and you can see here the app, TikTok app. Just click on it. After that, click open. And you can see now the TikTok is open already. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to download TikTok on PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.